right.
Where's the question?
Look, this.
4 plus 1, 2.
Start with the 8.
Oh. 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 is 12.
Okay.
And 8 plus 0 is 8. Well, easy. And 8 plus 1 is 9. And 8 plus 1 is 9. Which, that was the last one. And 8 plus 3 is 1. 1, 2, 11. What are you doing? And 2 plus 8 is 10.
Okay. Next one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What's that one?
8.
Okay. What's 8 plus 9?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17.
Okay. What's 8 plus 8? What's 8 plus 8?
8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16.
Okay. All right. What's 8 plus 6? Or 6 plus 8?
14.
Okay. So I'm saying 9 and stuff. I didn't know what you were doing. 8 plus 10.
18.
Okay. Can't see it click. Okay. 3 plus 8.
11.
Okay.
Please be good. Yes, I'm correct.
10 plus 8.
18.
Okay. 9 plus 8.
Okay, so 8 plus 8 was 16.
Mm-hmm.
8 plus 9 must be 17.
Okay. Good logic.
Great memory.
What's 8 plus 7?
15.
15?
Please be. Yes!
All right. 8 plus 7.
85. No.
Okay, not that. Okay. You're looking at your score. All right. 8 plus 7.
Okay. 15.
Okay. 8 plus 5.
8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13.
Okay.
Oh, goodness, y'all still going?
Mm-hmm.
5 plus. That's my dad.
What is it?
5 plus. Oops.
What's 8 plus 5?
13.
Okay. No. Click. You still got some more.
Ooh, harder level or
8 plus
easy.
4.
Never mind, hard. 17. Do I do it?
You can do it. If you think 8 plus 4 is 17.
8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 8.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I meant 12.
4 plus 8.
12.
Okay. 8 plus 3.
11.
Okay. 8 plus 2.
10.
Okay.
Okay. I'm ready to
I
do
can't
that.
see to submit, baby. Okay. 6 plus 8.
14.
Okay.
I'm going to do it.
Okay, you do it.
There.
Okay.
Correct.
Good. 8 plus 1.
8 plus 1 equals 9.
Okay. 8 plus 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14.
Okay. 0 plus 8.
8.
Okay. You're almost done. 2 plus 8.
Yeah. 2 plus 8. 10.
Okay.
Yes.
Is this it?
Yes.
Yay!
I won.
Congrats!